Ha, missed me. Ha ha, missed me. Okay, open. They're better than kiwis and strawberries? Doctor said not to give you fruit first because you wouldn't like this. You think you're funny.
Blowing food everywhere.
You think you're funny, huh? Alright, open. Open, open, open. Open, Nuggalicious. No! Is that kind of good? Yeah, we liking that one? Is that a good one? Better than that kiwi crap, huh? Yeah. Better than that stuff? Yeah? Alright. Turkey and sweet potato. Open that mouth. What's going on over here? She's eating some.
Yeah, right.
She's eating.
Tell me what you think about it. Yeah? It's all over my face, Daddy.
She's eating it, kind of.
Yeah.
Alright.
She's always talking about to sneeze out all over her.
Swallow it.
She's like, I don't know what to do with it now. What do I do?
Swallow it. Really, dude? Yeah, throw the kitty. Mommy threw the kitty. He's an asshole. Are you pooping again? It's coming in again. Are we gonna swallow it? Swallow it? Oh, you better swallow. I'm talking to you, kid. Here, look it. I got more. I got more. I got more. Open, 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 open. This isn't working out. Are you pooping? She's making her pooping noises.
Mm.
But she's not doing it.
Yeah. Uh-oh, see in the camera.
Really? That just went straight out. We're
Like,
trying this again later.
she's like, have you ever tried to eat and poop at the same time? She's like, this is hard.
You do it all the time. We're trying this again, kid. Around 7 o'clock, we're doing this again.